So hi and welcome back to the CineX channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the unboxing and impressions of this very projector by Simplify Tech by CineX, and this is Manik, and I'm going to be unboxing this for you, showing you actually how this pops up on the front wall that you're seeing right now. Is it really good, or would it be worth it to invest in this very projector or not, which ships worldwide? And I'm going to be very raw and make sure that this video is also pretty raw for you guys, so that you know exactly how much time it takes to set this up and get it running. So before getting started, let me tell you that this very projector comes with Android built in. You can stream Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Hotstar and whatnot with this very device, and it supports 4K, and you get a full HD screen with this very device. It's super portable, that is why it is selling well on CineX, that is simplifytech.shop, and this is the 1080p version of the CineX projector. So without any further ado, let's get started, and let me just try to unbox this right away with one hand, because from one hand I am recording. So this is what you get inside the box. It's the projector itself, and this is what it actually looks like. Let me just get rid of this and not break this very device. So this is the actual device that you get with this very box of Simplify Tech, and inside you get other things as well, which would be some cables to plug and play. Again, it comes in different plugs, so according to your country, you can choose your very own plug that is being supported in your country, so that option is available. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just roll it and connect this to power socket. So let me do that for you. Again, this ships worldwide, so and also all types of plugs are available, whether you live in US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. You can feel the premiumness of this very device. Very well finished, and again 360-degree rotatable, as you can see. There you go. So looks solid to me, again, because not only because this is what we sell, but I am being honest at the same time. It's smaller than a water bottle, and you can easily carry this onto your back, whether you travel or you just like to watch movies and you don't want to set up a whole projector setup for you, and you don't want any complicated stuff. This is the thing for you. But let me just now plug this in and plug the power socket into this one. So let me do this, and there you go. So I've plugged this in, and yeah, so in the box itself there would be a remote for this as well. Let me just get it. So this is the remote that you get with this, and you also get an option for voice assistant. For just less than $200 you're getting all this, and also Android. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to be using this power button, and I'll turn this on. So right now it looks like this on the top. Let me just tilt it forward, and yeah, there you go. So just a sec, I'll be right back. So this is how the screen looks like right now. It's most probably gonna auto adjust itself because it has got AI keystone in it, and this is how it is looking right now. I would need to position it better to get a better frame, so let me try and do that. So this is how it is looking right now. As you can see, it looks pretty clear, and this is full HD for you. This projector is showcasing full HD resolution right now, and as you can see, you have got Netflix, Prime Video, Quick Share and Google Play Store as well into this one, as you can see. And you can also use various ports according to your requirements. As you can see, you have got an HDMI port here, also a USB port right here. So this is what you get, and this is the screen. It's around, I guess, 100 inches right now, 100 to 110 inches, but you can always go to the settings and you can adjust the screen size according to your requirements, like I'm doing right now. Let me just try and do this. There you go. As you saw that the size is changing, so I can always adjust the screen manually according to my needs, and this option is what you get with the CineX 1080p model, which is currently our top seller. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to be turning off the light. So let's see what magic it does. So this is exactly how it looks like on a dark light. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to the home page again, and let me press the home button. There you go. I'm gonna go and try and open YouTube. I've already connected with the Wi-Fi. You also get Bluetooth if you want to connect your AirPods or or something else. Right now I'm going to go to YouTube and play you a video and also show you how the sound looks like on this. I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower. Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. So this is exactly how it looks with the dark light. As you can see, pretty clear and not very noisy as well. Super portable. You get a lot of options on the remote itself as well. You can use it as a mouse as well if you want. And I have shown you some of the footages of how it looks. I have shown you the Netflix thing, Prime Video, how YouTube looks, and Google Play Store. You can download any of your favorite apps from here. And if you want, then you can also connect your phone to this very device easily and mirror your iPhone right away without any issue. Yeah, this is what you get for under $200. A very value for money projector, which you basically get 6 months of warranty on this one, 30 days of money back guarantee as well, and worldwide shipping. Available only exclusively at simplifytech.shop. And I've shown you a lot of shots. You can enjoy a few more shots that I'm going to be putting right away right now. And this was a short video that I wanted to share with you guys. Really hope that you enjoyed this video. You also get a small booklet with this one. It took me less than 30 seconds to set this up and get it running. No more than this wire required to set this up. And again, this is all adjustable. There you go. You can point it at the ceiling as well, and likewise adjust it according to your needs. So yeah, this is what you are getting for under $200 right now, exclusively at CineX, which is simplifytech.shop. With CineX, this is what you're getting. Hope you like this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below. I've got limited units right now at our website, that is simplifytech.shop. Should ship as soon as possible and delivered to you guys within a week itself. So one more thing that I forgot to point out, guys, is that you get this option to attach it to your tripod as well. So if you would like that, then you can do it. You get inbuilt speakers as well, and as you can see, super easy to use. So yeah guys, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next one.